presidential correspondence. Distinguished Senator Godswill Akpabio, President of the Senate. Distinguished Senate President, request for confirmation of appointments of the Governing Board for Southeast Development Commission. In accordance with the provisions of Part 1, Section 2, Subsection 2A of the Southeast Development Commission Establishment Act 2024, as amended, I am pleased to present for confirmation by the Senate the appointments of the underlisted 18 nominees as Chairman, Managing Director, members, and Executive Directors of the Governing Board of the Southeast Development Commission. Dr. Emeka Nwogu, Chairman. Honorable Mark C. Okoye, Managing Director, CEO. Barrister Ugochukwu Agbala, Member. Honorable Oke Ezenwa, Member. Chief Hyacinth Ikpo, Member. Chief Chidi Echiazu, Member. Barrister Ifeanyi Agwu, PhD, Member. Nasiru Usman, Member. Hama Adama Ali Kumo, Member. Edward David Onoja, Edward David Onoja, Member. Okure Kufre Inima, Member. Daniel Akwari, Member. Chief Mrs. Joke Adebayo Chukuma, Member. Right Honorable Stanley Ohajuruka, Executive Director, Finance. Chief Sylvester Okonkwo, Executive Director, Corporate Services. Honorable Toby Okechukwu, Executive Director, Projects. Senator Anthony Agbo, Executive Director, Commercial and Industrial Development. Dr. Clifford Ogwide, Executive Director, Natural Resources, Agriculture, and Rural Development. While I hope that the request will receive the usual expeditious consideration and confirmation of the Senate, please accept, distinguished Senate President, the assurances of my highest consideration and regards. Yours sincerely, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief.